Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is Eidul Adha. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, we are going to learn how to describe things in surrounding. Before this, in Unit 8, we have learned how to describe picture by using a word bank, and we have described picture in detail by writing a paragraph. I hope you remember. If not, you will watch this video lecture again. So, beta, the way we learn to describe the picture, likewise, we can describe the things which are around us in our surrounding. So our today's SLO is to describe things in surroundings. This is our SLO for today. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Yunus verse 22, it is He who enables you to travel on land and sea until when you are in ships and they sail with them by a good wind and they rejoice therein. There comes a storm wind and the waves come upon them from everywhere, and they assume that they are surrounded, supplicating Allah, sincere to Him in religion. If you should save us from this, we will surely be among the thankful. Yes, my dear children. Beta, what this beautiful verse is telling us, subhanallah, beta, Quran teaches us everything. You see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is describing a scene. When people are traveling in the sea and they are traveling smooth, they are happy, they are rejoicing. But the moment a strong wind comes, they become upset. And all of a sudden, they start calling upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh, Allah, save us. We'll become good people. We'll follow you. This is how. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, what is the message? Beta, we should remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in every situation, not just in problems. Allah subhanahu, we need help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every time. That's why we should call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every time, beta, not just in troubles, not just in problems. Okay, so this is the message of this verse. Now, my dear children, you see how beautifully Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has described the scene. This is how we can describe a scene, we can describe a person, we can describe an object. We are going to learn today. Now tell me, what are describing words or adjectives? We have learned about adjectives, so what are they? And what do describing words tell or describe? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come. Yes, my dear children, I hope you remember that describing words, basically, beta, describing words are adjectives, and what do? They tell us about the noun. We use an adjective which tells us about the noun. It can tell us the color, the size, and many more. Whatever the word tells us about the noun, that word is known as adjective. Brown hair. Now, this adjective is telling us the color of hair. Orange shirt. Again, it's an adjective of color. Red shoes, leather shoes, pretty shoes, all this, whatever. So, beta, we can use multiple adjectives to describe even a single object or a person. All right. So, this is we are going to learn today. Long neck, right? The way we are saying, this animal has long neck, short tail, 4 legs, big eyes, small ears. This is how we keep on describing by using different adjectives. Okay. Now look, it is a small baby, a smiling baby, a happy baby, a cute baby, right? This is how we use adjectives to describe something or someone. Narrow lane, this is a narrow lane. And round ball, this is a round ball. This is an orange ball. This is made of leather. We use it. This is my ball. Even we have learned about possessive adjective as well, right? So this is how we keep on using adjectives to describe something. She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. She is a smiling girl. She is a happy girl. Okay. It's a rainy weather. It's a pleasant weather. It's a cool day. This is how we describe something by using adjectives. There are many cats. So many is adjective. There are some eggs. These are red shoes. You see, we keep on using adjectives. So we use adjective to describe something. Now let's take example of something which is in our surroundings. Surrounding means it is something which is around you. You can look at that object and keep telling about. For example, this is a desk. Okay, this is a desk. It's a brown desk and it is made of wood and metal. It is a new desk. It's a shining desk. It's my desk. It's a big desk or whatever. Just keep telling about this object. Likewise, you can take another example. Maybe you must have a chair in your classroom. So it's a chair. It has 4 legs. It has a big arm. It is made of wood and metal. It is a comfortable chair. It's a brown chair. It's a new chair. It's my chair. This is how we take an object, we keep on using adjective, and we keep describing that object. Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it from your book. Let's read it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 82. There are different children. They are describing. They are using a sentence to describe what they are holding. So read all these descriptions, and when you are done with reading, you are going to do a very interesting activity. Teacher will call the students one by one to come in front of the class and describe anything. You can even describe your classroom or your classroom objects like desk, table, chair, door, board, fan, window, bag, book, lunch box, water bottle, etc. So what is the thumb rule? Every child is gonna describe different object. If one has already done, you will take another object. Okay, so every one of you is going to participate. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You enjoyed it? Me too. Okay, now it's time for your homework. At home, you will describe your favorite toy and record it and share it with your teacher. Teachers kindly find out how are they describing their favorite toy and correct them wherever they need. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practicing how to describe objects in the surrounding. So what we have learned today, we learned to describe things in surrounding. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.